Hello, this is Barbara Vázquez in Ciudad Juárez. A question was in the air these days. After one full year of pandemic, another lockdown was coming soon? The answer was yes. Well, sort of. Why? Authorities say new measures were needed to keep the pandemic from reaching year 2020 levels, when hospitals were overcrowded with COVID-19 patients, with many of them dying at intensive care units. So, local authorities announced a total shutdown of non-essential activities over 2 weekends due to rising numbers of COVID-19 cases and deaths. They rely on this. If most places are closed, people will stay at home. The new measures means that most businesses, those tagged as non-essential, must shut down at midnight on Friday to reopen on Monday morning. That is closing for 24 continuous hours. These restrictions are mandatory for department stores, supermarkets, bars, cinemas, shopping centers, and malls, among many others, but not maquiladora. Only grocery stores and convenience stores may continue to operate as usual. Restaurants will operate on delivery only. Dine-in and take-out orders are not allowed. Sales of alcoholic beverages are limited to 4 days a week, beginning on Monday, on a tight schedule that ends at 6 p.m. Fines are to be imposed on those who don't observe the restrictions. The so-called COVID-19 task force groups are in charge of enforcing this law. Chihuahua Health Secretary Eduardo Fernandez said that the move was sudden, but there was no choice, because they were seeing younger patients with coronavirus symptoms, 45 to 60 years old, and that meant hospitals would be full in the near future. He said that people's mobility was affecting more than anything else. He pointed out that mobility was at the highest level they had ever seen, higher than in December, when more people are usually out and about. In a press conference on Facebook Live last Friday, he told journalists that people have lost fear of the disease because the vaccines were already here and everybody lowered the guard. He said that this complex situation began with the Easter break and could be worsening with upcoming political rallies, as everybody is moving more and taking less precautions, leading to more infections. Besides the new measures, people are called to stay at home, keep their social distancing, wear face masks like this one, and avoid large gatherings, as they were all supposed to do all year long. He said that if people do their part, the situation could be under control soon. In Juárez, the death toll from COVID-19 is 3,000 and counting. Thank you.